What's going on, YouTube? We up here at Excel, checking out the drift track. They got some drifters going on. They're doing real good. They sliding real good. Oh yeah, they sliding around the course real good, making it look lovely. I like the new setup on the track. The new setup on the track is pretty good. Beautiful. I love how they got it coming into the corner. Beautiful. Beautiful. Checking out the Mini Z course. They got a nice Mini Z course going on now. Everett Ferrari, that Enzo's doing pretty good. That's what I'm talking about, being in the groove. And in the groove. Alright, let's go check out inside the shop and go over there and see what new cars they got going on. Oh, excuse me. Oh yeah, they changed up the shop a little bit. Shop's looking good. We got all the cars going on, got all the drones going on, you know. Sell hobbies. They got a lot of trucks going on now. They got all the drone frames going on.
So you would be, if you did the base package.
Probably offline.
Oh yeah? And
Pete, haven't seen you in a long time, brother.
It is been a while. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Anything new? Anything good? Anything I can't live without?
Got these new Doberman V2s.
There ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of the hobby going on, you know. They got the paint going in. But what we're here for, we're here to check out the Mini Zs, right, YouTubers? So let's go ahead and let's take a look at all the Mini Zs they got going on. Man, that YD2 EX2 frame looks good. There it is. There's the AE86. I want that body so bad. Nice. It needs to be on a rear-wheel drive kit though. Not all-wheel drive. These are all-wheel drive drifts. Series. They got them priced at $199. They got a bunch of bodies. They got the O2 Color Limited chassis. I wonder what color it is, if it's the blue or it's the clear. They got the Mini Z F1s going on. That's a beautiful car. Look at this Honda NSX. That's beautiful. I gotta make a scale trailer now that I know what size these little cars are. It looks like they got some, I'm seeing some parts. I see shocks. I see some bearings. Oh, they do got a front wheel drive. Yeah, they got some front wheel drives up there. They got a lot of Mini Z bodies over there. Look at that, and there's the buggy frame. Alright, YouTube, just wanted to check out the Mini Zs. I'm gonna leave it at look at this giant crawler that's over here. I'm gonna leave you guys out with looking at this giant crawler here. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, peace and love. God bless. I'll see you guys in the next video.